How to install speedometer rings. First, pull your steering wheel all the way out. Use a T20 wrench to undo two screws on the top. Then pull out the speedometer. Disconnect these two wires and fully remove the speedometer. Undo these T10 screws to remove the back. After removing the screws, push these tabs in to fully remove the back. Remove the front tops of the buttons and pull everything apart. Push the rings in from the back and snap them into place. Then put back everything and test if everything is working. Thanks for watching.